Right now, the big story everyone is talking about is the fresh legal case involving Abubakar Malami and his son, and this one is shaking both the legal and political space in Nigeria. According to what is before the court, the federal government has formally charged Malami and his son over a financial case involving a sum of about 1 billion naira. This case is now before the Federal High Court, and it is already drawing serious public attention because of who is involved and what the allegations are about. As you are listening right now, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss important updates like this, because this story is still developing and more details are expected. What the government is saying, in simple and clear terms, is that certain large sums of money were moved through bank accounts and companies in a way that raised serious questions. The allegation is that the money did not come from clear and lawful sources and that efforts were made to hide where the funds truly came from. The total amount mentioned in this case is over 1 billion naira, and that alone makes it a very serious matter. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because we break these stories down in a way everyone can understand. From what is laid before the court, Malami's son is also listed in the charge, alongside another individual connected to the transactions. The government believes that companies were used to receive and move the money, and that some of the funds were later linked to the purchase of valuable properties. This is why the case is not just about money sitting in a bank account, but also about assets that may have been bought with the same funds. Like this video and subscribe so you stay informed, because cases like this help us understand how financial investigations work in Nigeria. Now, let's slow this down and explain it very clearly. A financial case like this is not about noise or online talk. It is about documents, bank records, dates, transfers, and explanations. The government is basically telling the court that when they looked at the movement of this money, the explanations given did not match what they saw in the records. That is why charges were filed. It does not mean anyone is guilty yet. It simply means the court will now listen to both sides and decide based on evidence. Please like this video and subscribe, because we always remind you of the facts without jumping to conclusions. This case is also important because Abubakar Malami once held one of the highest legal offices in the country. As Attorney General and Minister of Justice, he was the Chief Law Officer of the Federation. So for many Nigerians, this case raises strong emotions and serious conversations. People are asking questions about accountability, responsibility, and how public officials should be held to standard even after leaving office. If you agree that accountability matters, like this video and subscribe to the channel. On the other side of the story, Malami and his legal team are not keeping quiet. They are strongly insisting that he has done nothing wrong. They argue that the case is unfair and that proper legal procedures must be followed. They also say that their rights must be respected and that the court, not public opinion, should decide the matter. This is how the legal system works. Both sides present their case, and the judge listens. Please like this video and subscribe, because balanced reporting is very important in moments like this. Another angle many people are discussing is the role of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. The EFCC is the agency handling the investigation and prosecution. Supporters say this shows a renewed push against financial wrongdoing, no matter who is involved. Critics, however, are watching closely to see if due process is fully respected. This is why this case is bigger than just one person. It touches on trust in institutions and the rule of law. Like this video and subscribe so you stay part of this important national conversation. What happens next is also very important. The court will set dates, lawyers will argue their positions, and evidence will be examined. There may be applications, responses, and legal back and forth. These things take time, and Nigerians will need patience to see how it all plays out. One thing to remember is that a charge is not a conviction. The court will decide, not social media. Please like this video and subscribe, because we will continue to follow this story step by step. This case is also reminding many Nigerians of past high-profile financial cases and how they shaped public trust. Some ended with convictions, others ended with acquittals, and some dragged on for years. That history is why people are watching this case closely. They want to see transparency, fairness, and clear justice. If that matters to you, like this video and subscribe to the channel. As the story continues, it is also a lesson for public officers, business people, and even young professionals. Financial records matter. Transparency matters. How money is earned, moved, and used matters. These are the things that come under scrutiny when questions are raised. Please like this video and subscribe, because understanding these issues helps everyone make better decisions. In the end, this case involving Abubakar Malami and his son is now firmly in the hands of the court. The government has made its move, the defense has responded, and Nigerians are watching. The truth will come out through legal process, not assumptions. Until then, the best thing is to stay informed, stay calm, and follow verified updates. Like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next development, because as soon as there is a new update from the court, you will hear it here.